Hello everyone, welcome back to Zida Tutor Academy. In today's Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to create an amazing glow effect on Markhor horns and add beautiful shining highlights to the entire image. This technique will help you create a dramatic and eye-catching wildlife photo effect using simple Photoshop tools. If you enjoy learning creative Photoshop techniques like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this tutorial with your friends. Your support really helps the channel grow. Now, let's start the tutorial. Step 1. Opening the image. So here we are inside Photoshop. This is the image that we will be editing today. Our goal is to enhance this photo and create a glowing light effect on the Markhor's horns to make the image look more dramatic and artistic. Step 2. Removing the background. First, select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Now click on the Markhor to select it. After that, go to Select a Mask from the top menu. Here we will refine the edges to make the selection cleaner and more accurate, especially around the horns and fur. Once everything looks good, apply the selection. Step 3. Enhancing the background. Now go to the Filter menu and click on Camera Raw Filter. Inside Camera Raw, adjust settings like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and color to enhance the background and give it a more dramatic look. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, click OK. Step 4. Enhancing the Markhor, again go to Filter and open Camera Raw Filter once more. This time we will enhance the Markhor itself. Adjust clarity, texture, contrast and colors to make the animal stand out more from the background. After finishing the adjustments, click OK. Step 5. Selecting the horns. Now select the Quick Selection tool. Carefully select both horns of the Markhor. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate layer of the horns. Step 6. Creating the glow effect. Now go to Filter. Then choose Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Increase the blur amount slightly. As you can see, the horns start creating a soft glowing light effect, which gives a magical look to the image. Step 7. Adding color to the glow. Apply a hue and saturation adjustment layer. Adjust the hue and saturation values to give the glow a more realistic and vibrant color tone. This will make the glowing effect look more natural and visually appealing. Step 8. Enhancing light with curves. Now create a curves adjustment layer. Adding the curves layer, press Ctrl plus I to invert the mask. Then select the brush tool, choose a soft brush, and start painting on the areas where you want the light effect to appear. This step helps create controlled lighting and enhances the glow effect around the horns. Step 9. Shining effect on the body. Next, add another hue and saturation adjustment layer for the Markhor's body. Again, press Ctrl plus I to invert the mask. Use the brush tool and start painting on selected areas of the body to create a subtle shining highlight effect. This makes the animal look more detailed and visually enhanced. Step 10. Final enhancements. Now add a levels adjustment layer to improve the overall contrast and depth of the image. After that, apply a brightness and contrast adjustment layer to fine-tune the lighting and give the image a polished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something useful today. If this video helped you, please subscribe to ZA Tutor Academy, like the video, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Also, don't forget to share this tutorial with friends who love learning Photoshop. Final result. And here is the final result. You can see the beautiful glowing effect on the Markhor horns and the enhanced lighting across the entire image. These simple Photoshop techniques can dramatically transform a normal wildlife photo into something much more artistic and powerful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.